over.
Mom.
Life.
This is kind of,
When did
don't make that noise.
Real special. I would never.
you remember? I mean, I'm not the only kid on the island whose dad was,
Still, that's dramatic.
No, not for me, bro.
What's dream?
Go away.
To go. That's great.
Do you want a drink?
Gotta run away.
You don't want to drink.
Life.
This is kind of, it's unique. This is the norm. So,
When is this happening?
don't know. Cody!
It's really disrespectful. I never do that.
When is this not happening?
What? Don't make that noise. Cody!
Really disrespectful. I would never do that.
Great.
Want a drink?
Run away
They don't
from
drink.
responsibility. Life.
This is kind of, this is unique. So this is the norm. So,
When is this not happening?
what? Don't make noise. Cody!
It's really disrespectful. I would never do
You just wouldn't make it out of your mouth.
That's
You know
the
what?
difference between you and me.
You know what? I didn't.
Mom, look what you did.
For me, this isn't. Why is Glenn?
Yeah, exactly. Mom!